Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Ziad from Crosstitch Leather and this is an introduction video about me and my journey into leather crafting. I always loved videos about people making stuff or fixing stuff. I'm a sucker for these videos. How it's made, how it's fixed, old cars, old houses. We're working with wood, working with metal. And around 2020, I stumbled into a channel called Little King Goods, a guy from Canada. I loved his work. I loved how he shoots. I loved his environment. I wanted to be like him, but I always kept watching, never thought I would start doing this. Until I think, fast forward 2 years later, I don't know, something clicked or like he reappeared in front of me on YouTube and I decided, what the hell, I'm gonna start it and see where it goes. So I started buying cheap tools and leather just to learn without paying much, and I have thoughts about starting with cheap tools. Maybe I'll do another video, talk all about it, but for now I started working, started learning. I enjoyed it to the fullest. I loved working with leather, even though the result was not satisfactory, but I kept learning and I kept working. And I think after 1 year, I decided that what I'm doing was worthy of people seeing it. So I talked to a friend who we collaborated on a brand name and a logo, which is Crosstitch Leather now. And I opened an Instagram page and I started putting my work. Every week I try to put items on Instagram. And then after that, I decided I'm gonna open a YouTube channel and share my work with the community, with the leather community, and show them how I do stuff, how I'm learning, and maybe people will learn from me. Maybe people will learn from my mistakes, and I'm definitely gonna learn from them with their comments and suggestions. So this is the whole story of why I opened the YouTube channel. I have like a couple of videos now out, and I'm hoping that I'm gonna keep on adding more videos into the future. Even though I have like tight on time, I have a full-time job and the leather crafting, but I'm gonna try my best to keep on uploading videos to the channel because I love the work. I enjoy it very much. I'm enjoying the feedback that I'm getting, even though I'm now still shy because I'm still in the beginning of my channel. So thank you again for being here. Thank you for subscribing. If you didn't subscribe, please do so. And please follow me on Instagram at crosstitch_leather. I'll put the link in the description below. Thank you so much and have a good night or good day, wherever you are in the world. Thank you.